meeting. So basically, it's an induction meeting for HR, human resource, and finance. Okay. So as today is your first day, so call is now being recorded. I hope this 45 days journey will be a very experienced journey for you, and you will enjoy it. So let's start with today's meet. First of all, guys, any one of you can introduce yourself so that I can feel that energy, and with that energy only I'll start my program. Anyone? Komal sir, I request you to please say
Yeah.
something about yourself.
Should I continue?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Hi, I'm Dia. I'm a student of 12th grade in Jaspalka Public School, Delhi,
Wow.
and I'm studying commerce with entrepreneurship.
Okay, ma'am. So we have entrepreneurs with us. Very well, ma'am. Okay, Akhila, ma'am, you can go with it.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is very audible and very strong. Go through it, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Akhila from Trivandrum, Kerala.
Hmm.
Right now, I'm doing my second year in BSc Physics and Computer Applications.
Hmm.
So, I'm here to do an internship completely different from my domain of study. So,
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was
thank
quite
you.
pleasing to talk to you. So we're starting with the program. Okay. And this enthusiasm, this zeal, and this energy in your voice should be continued till the last day of internship, because you will enter here as a guest and you will leave here as a person, as a family. Okay. So creative ideas flourish best in a shop which preserves some spirit of fun. Nobody is in a business for fun, but what doesn't mean there cannot be fun in a business. Good evening to one and all present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcome everybody. I heartily welcome our chief guest and our interns, coordinators, and all other fellow interns. Today, we have gathered here for our induction meeting on human resource and marketing. It is an excellent opportunity for learning under the guidance of Career Dreams Educations. We are delighted to have you as our interns. With your fresh thoughts and optimistic approaches and gentle behavior, we are sure that the company is in a very good hands. Let me initiate you to one and all Career Dreams Educations. Well, you might have a idea what it is, because we are working in an organization. To know what the organization should be a priority responsibility. So, Career Dreams Education is an education-oriented skill development enterprise. We are solemnly committed to providing clients with customized educational assistance and educational solution to our young, inspiring minds like you we have today and our esteemed educational clients. We feel proud to announce that we are certified with Quality Management System under ISO 901-2015, and also we are now approved with IAICT, which the college get as a ranking by the government. So outstanding leaders go out of the way to boost the self-esteem of their personnel. If people believe in themselves, it's what they can assume. A big round of applause to our stars, without whom the organization, this whole family, is incomplete. They are the ones who support us, nurture us, and help everyone here they keep their spirits high. And welcome Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, our Chief Executive Head, Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, Chief Marketing and Strategic Head, Ms. Renupara ma'am, Chief Administrative Head, Mr. Rajiv sir and Ms. Ria ma'am, Managing Head and Technical Coordinators. So guys, I hope you have got a similar ideas who they are and what are their importance in Career Dreams Educations. With a thought like Kar Har Maidan Fateh, let's hunt into this induction meeting on human resource and management. I pass my mic to no one, my soulmate, my helper, my partner, and everything, Miss Shraddha ma'am, who is a finest example of enthusiasm, patience, and well human being. So, Shraddha ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you can start with the induction, ma'am. All the very best.
Is my voice audible and I am clear?
Yes, ma'am. Voice is audible and it's very clear,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sakshi, ma'am. So, hello and a very good evening to one and all present here. I, Shraddha Mishra, am one of the core team members of Career Dreams Education. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all in this induction meet. This induction meet is to give you a brief introduction about the company you are going to work with. Alone, we can do so little, but together, we can do so much or almost everything. Yes, we can do wonders together. And we are happy to have you all as a team. I would like to congratulate you all on your new role in this company. So, yeah, as you all can see, career dreams education. As the name itself says, career dreams education means we help the students, we motivate, we teach, we counsel the students for their dream career. We make them capable enough so that they can come forward, so that they can move forward with an enthusiasm and they can get whatever they want as their dream career. We are situated in Jaipur, Divya Mall, Lal Kothi area. We are proudly having the recognition under the MSME Act, Government of India. We are registered under State Government of Rajasthan. We are proud to be ISO certified company. ISO, that is an international standard organization. Yes, you heard it right. You all are going to work with a company that is having a management quality as per the global standards. So in turns, we give you the confidence, we give you the assurity that you will be having the internship with Career Dreams Educations at the global standards. And very proud to announce that now we are AICTE approved too. And that's a very big achievement for this company. So yes, we all work. And the whole element of this comprehensive internship come training program is that we are working under the Skill India initiative. This internship is under the government guidelines of Skill India, giving you a career based on practical knowledge and competitive skills. And here it is a welcoming note for you all. As we all can see, Career Dreams Education. Here, we not only work with the experienced people, but we also give opportunities to freshers, graduates, MBA aspirants, MBA pass outs, technical students, tech lancers, and professionals for working with us for 45 days in this internship, in this comprehensive internship cum training program, where we will be providing you with the live projects, online administrative managerial work, assignments, and tasks with practical operational performance and business orientation. The candidates will be given opportunity to work with our core professional qualified team and share the same workspace in a competitive business environment. Our program guidelines are based on the concept of learning, performing, training, execution, and achievement. Can anybody of you take the initiative and tell me what, according to you, is learning?
Gaining experience.
Okay, that's great. Anyone else?
Gaining knowledge.
Gaining knowledge. Yes. Anyone else?
Acquiring something new skills.
Okay. That's very great. So combining it all, we get to get the knowledge about the present things and the future possibilities for ourselves. And what, according to you, is performance? Anybody, please?
It's when we present what we know.
Okay. Anyone else? I would like to hear it from Alvita ma'am. What, according to you, is performance?
Guys, don't feel shy. Be confident and answer the questions. It's very easy. Use your own ideas, your imaginations. Everything will be welcomed here. Come on, guys.
It's not a test. You don't need to be correct all the time. You can be wrong too. But what matters is that you are taking initiative to come forward. That doesn't matter you are right or wrong. So take this initiative and reply. What do, according to you, is performance?
According to me, the performance is, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, sir.
According to me, the performance is when you give your 100% to achieve your goal.
That's great. Okay.
May I?
Yes.
Okay. So performance is the outcome of anything that we do.
Okay. Okay. You all guessed it all right. So let me tell you in short what is performance. Performance is applying the knowledge for action in such a way that you can get the success for yourself. Training. Training means upgrading yourself, your knowledge, and your skills. Execution. Execution is a very simple term that means systematic performance. Only doing does not matter. What matters is doing it with a system and with an efficiency in your work. That your execution can result in the achievement. Achievement is the end. Achievement that you can get the benefit of enhancement of your skills, your knowledge, and get something for your career. Get something memorable for your career, and that's the achievement. So this is the whole and soul concept of career dreams education. Here we are progressing on the lines of Skill India initiative that is started by the government of India. So you can very clearly understand that we are working under the pure whole and soul guidelines and guidance of the government of India. So I want anybody of you please read out these 7 strategic management areas that we work in. Please take the
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Strategic management areas, that is human resource management, marketing management, financial management, that is like money batters, strategic management, educational analytical management, content building and comprehension, technical research and development, that is Technofolia 1.0.
Okay, that's great, Sahana, ma'am. That's really great. Thank you so much. So yes,
Thank
these
you.
are our strategic management areas where we are working with human resource management, marketing management, financial management, namely money batters, strategic management, educational analytical management, content building and compilation, technical research and development, namely Technophilia 1.0. It is a comprehensive internship cum training program. That is, we provide an opportunity to come out of your books, of your theoretical knowledge, and imply them in your practical world and get something by your practical work.
Sorry
It
to
is
interrupt
a
you. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What Technofolia refers to?
Sir, please wait. Have patience. We have the modules for that too.
Oh, okay, fine. Sorry.
No problem, sir. We'll be explaining it further. So, it is a value-oriented approach to help the aspirant develop business skills and professional
Shraddha
values.
ma'am. Shraddha ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. Actually, some people are not able to hear your voice, ma'am. Please, can be a little louder?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Audible, ma'am. Audible.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So this internship cum training program is a value-oriented approach to help the aspirants develop business skills and professional values so as to inoculate an ethical sense. Okay, here I want to ask you something. What according to you is ethics? Please be quick. Okay, somebody is responding.
Moral,
Who is not-
The moral values.
Moral value.
Yes, you all are right. Ethics means moral principles and moral values that guide our working. So, inoculate an ethical sense of responsibility and a passion to strive for target achievement. We not only give you the internship opportunity, we give you an opportunity to make the decisions. If you're having that caliber, come forward, make the decisions, and prove that those decisions were well and good for the company and for yourself too. These are the major job areas in which we are working: telemarketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, personalized marketing, data compilation, database management, content writing, content designing, content analysis, client customizations, business networking, online edu product development, educational R&D service, market potential analysis, project feasibility analysis. Now let's moving forward to the HR management. like the working that we do in our HR field. Sorry?
Adarsh sir, can you please mute your mic?
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
so much. So in HR management, we work with HR recruitment, database management, CV proliferation, profile assessment, interview scheduling, HR clients customization, B2B networking, training and development moduling, and tech access. These are the profiles in which we work under the HR. In HR fields, we work under all of these fields and we provide all of these informations to you all so that you can grow yourself. Next one is business R&D management. R&D, can anybody tell what is R&D?
Research and development.
Research and development.
Yes, it was right. Business research and development management. That is, it is an edu-oriented, tech-friendly research and development, a comprehensive area that including a multi-dimensional approach, emphasizing efforts to create, develop, and innovate new business approach, enhance client customized business approach. So here we come to the financial aspect, financial module of our company, and that's Money Barters. We have the two strong pillars of Money Barters, and they are Shikha ma'am and Kaushik sir. They both have created the Money Barters. And now, moving forward, this is the introductory paragraph of Money Barters. That here we provide the specialized financial management and financial analysis wing. We work with the live projects. We work with capital structuring, we work with taxation and business regulatory framework, we work with asset management, portfolio management, consultancy in the arena of funds management. We also provide client customized services. So here we have all the functionings and all the workings of the finance department, capital structuring and fund management, in which we work for systematic investment plan, health plan, term plan, e-gold investment, mutual funds, stocks trading, rupee dollar assessment, EBIT, EPS analysis, stock market mechanisms, and stock markets in India. Second, our work field is analysis of global financial market, in which we consider analysis of Sensex, Nifty, Kospi, Nikkei, FTSE, Hang Seng, Trans-Asian stock market analysis, and global stock market analysis. February 2021 budget segmentation analysis and taxation scope, like income tax deductions, income tax slab analysis, return of income, procedure of assessment for individuals, partnership firms, companies, TDS rates and analysis, refund of tax, income from salary, income from capital gains, and PAN card generation. We also work with the GST, goods and services tax, and its implications. We work for GST registration, its scope, its HSN coding, rates analysis, monthly returns filing, quarterly return filing, annual return filing, composition schemes, and reverse mechanism. These are the services that our financial wing, that is Money Barters, provides. Next, the third aspect is the technical aspect of our company, and that's Technophilia 1.0. We have its two strong pillars, Rajiv sir and Ria ma'am. Technophilia 1.0, innovations for life. These are the Technophilia operational areas and working incubation hubs, technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphics designing, research and analysis wing. Technophilia 1.0 core operational areas. These are the core operational areas where Technophilia works. Web designing and development, Android app development, graphics designing, SEO and digital marketing, e-commerce handling, social media handling, cybersecurity mechanisms, artificial intelligence mechanism. If we're moving forward, then Technophilia also have its different HR management area where it works for its own recruitment, its own intimation calling, interview calling, confirmation calling, and mailing management, induction meet. They all be doing their own. Technical marketing and marketing analysis. They work with technical product marketing, courses marketing, institutional marketing, social media marketing, and technical events marketing. Technical content and content compilation and customization. Here we include textual content writing and compilation, images and graphics designing, videos and MP4 designing and formatting. And the core of Technophilia is the research and analysis wing. That is, they provide tech solutions to the business challenges. They provide technical client customization services, technical product orientation and development, technical feasibility analysis, reviewing with tech assessment, innovation and incubation assistance. Here we have the benefits of this internship cum training program. Like, you all might be having why to do this. Then this is the exact answer, that why to do this. It provides a practical business exposure. As I already told, we have read a lot in the books. We have read a lot of theories, but till the time we don't know what are its practical working, that theoretical knowledge is of no use. And that is the core idea, that we provide a practical business exposure for your theoretical knowledge. We get you recognized with the certificate of internship. After completing this internship, you will be recognized with the certificate of internship, and that too ISO certified and AICTE approved. Isn't it interesting? I know you all might be saying yes. Like, isn't it interesting? You all might answer me. Like, please.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
interesting.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's really
Shraddha
good.
ma'am, still the zeal is like low. I'm not finding that voice. Yes, ma'am. We are ready. We are like
Yes, ma'am.
ready to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
that zeal, that zeal. Come on, guys. Come on. Yes, ma'am. Continue, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Next up we have is performance appraisal with certificate of work excellence. We not only are inviting you to come and just work for 45 days and then go away. We are providing you an opportunity to come and enhance your knowledge, your skill, your excellence. And once you reach to that level, you will be certified. You will be certified and you will be appraised for your performance. Your performance will give you a certificate of work excellence, as if you are working as per the standards of the company. You can also get some cash rewards and performance based incentives. Yeah, here I worked as per here I said something of your use, some cash rewards and monetary benefits. We all want that. So yes, we also provide cash rewards and performance based incentives. Like, if your performance is up to the mark, if we find your performance to be of a certain standard, we will be providing you with the cash rewards and performance based incentives. We will be providing you with the job oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions. We will be providing you the personality development and skill enhancement sessions for your personal growth. Avail multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chance of final placements in diverse industries. We are not only asking you to work for us, we are asking you to work with us. Work for yourself that can benefit you. So here are the some set of certificates that you will be getting as per your performance. In this, 2 certificates are compulsorily you are going to get. First is certificate of internship and second one is certificate of work excellence. And the rest of the rest of the certificates are based on your working. As you can see, certificate of acknowledgement you will be receiving if you become the project head of any program or project. You will be getting certificate of appreciation if you are the event coordinator of any team event. Certificate of leadership when you are assessed as a team leader. Certificate of participation when you participate in any of the event. Certificate of keymanship for laying and strategizing this segment in any key role. Certificate of excellence. If you achieve the standard performance set by the company, you will be rewarded with the certificate of excellence. Certificate of ethical professional conduct for exemplifying high degree of behavioral and professional integrity. Certificate of innovation If you develop or execute some innovative modules in our working, then you will be rewarded with the certificate of innovation. Certificate for knowledge excellency. If you are holding a knowledge oriented webinar with research and development insights into the concerned knowledge domain as a main speaker, you will be provided with the certificate for knowledge excellency. So here are some of the contact details for you. And I would only like to say at the end that it's our pleasure to have such an enthusiastic and excited people to work with us. If we will work together, we will work as a team, we are going to do wonders in the coming future. Thank you so much. And I would like to ask ma'am or sir, do they want to add anything?
Thank you so much, Shraddha ma'am, for
Okay.
such an amazing presentation. So guys, this is the way we grow.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
know, yeah, this is the way we grow. And thank you so much, Shraddha ma'am. I hope you got a glimpse of how we work, what are the factors which we have to control, and what are things we have to, keep in priority. Your behavior, your, the code of conduct, and the work always will be watched by our managers, by our seniors. So work accordingly, guys. Okay? And now I want to ask our seniors, Mr. Vinayak sir, Miss Renu ma'am, if they want to add something to our freshers, something that they want to give to.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, Satakshi ma'am, and thank you so much, Shraddha ma'am. I must appreciate the level of confidence, Shraddha ma'am and Satakshi ma'am, you have maintained throughout this induction, the presentation and the idea conveniency conveyed to the newly joined interns. And to all those newly joined interns, this side Vinayak Saxena here. I am the marketing and executive head at Career Dream Educations. And with all respect and gratitude, welcome all you new people, all the new talent, the young aspirants of management to this comprehensive internship and training program. And guys, I must repeat, the name is Comprehensive Internship Cum Training Program. This is not internship only. This will be a training. And training for what? Why we are giving you training? It's not for job. The training is for entrepreneurship. This is the so-called business development internship. Something you should be capable. काबिलियत आपकी होनी चाहिए. दिमाग आपका, career आपका, decision आपका. तो strength भी आपकी होनी चाहिए to take the decisions, to be the entrepreneur. India need job creators. India को job seekers की जरूरत नहीं है. With a population of 150 crore plus है हम. हमें job creators चाहिए. Something जो job बना सके, जो job दे सके. And this internship will give you the opportunity to use your mind. Decisions आपके होंगे. To see the situation, circumstances क्या है? What is this business dynamism? You see, business environment is never the same. If you talk about HR marketing, HR means handling the people, to understand the psychology. सामने वाला एम्प्लॉय क्या चाहता है, आपका जूनियर क्या चाहता है, और आपका सुपीरियर आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करता है. Understanding the human psychology, this is HR management. And marketing is all about connecting the people. I insist to all the interns, marketing is not selling, कि सामान को बेचना है, पैसे लेके आने. Marketing is about how you connect the people, how you create the brandship for your own identity and for the business. And guys, this internship is all about entrepreneurship. I repeat again, अपने दम पे करके दिखाना. Nobody will guide you. You are not kids now. We will not guide you. We will not give you target कि भाई करना है तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Use your brain. Something, if you think you have the capacity of 100%, if you are the good one, try to be the better. If you are better, go for the best. And if you think you are the best one, then guys, upgrade yourself. This is 21st century business going on. A virtual internship for virtual business management. That means you don't know me. आप मुझे नहीं जानते, मैं आपको नहीं जानता हूँ. But still we have the confidence and trust. This is the real essence of education. Career, dreams, educations. We are all about education. Creating ideas, finding solution for the business problem. And something, we create value. We create value. Something, it's for your career. Ultimately, it's by internship for your career. For the business development, to create value for the society, for the country. And guys, don't think 45 days internship, उसके बाद बात खत्म. Every second of 45 days internship will be counted. See your psychology, understanding. You have to understand your potential. We are giving you the platform. Platform हमारा है, काबिलियत आपकी. And guys, I want to have some clear answer from your side. What do you think, guys? If I have some HR people, आपकी expectations क्या हैं HR को लेके? I want some people to answer me. Show the confidence, guys. I don't want some dumb people. Show up the confidence. HR expectations क्या हैं आपकी? What are the expectations for HR management?
Finding the
some
best
random
assets to the finding the best assets to the organization, like HCM, like human capital management, like
Okay.
for the organization.
Impressive, William. Any more answers?
We should be able to manage and coordinate between people and understand them.
Sure, Diya ma'am. That's well true. See, according to you, what is the major challenge in HR? What's the biggest challenge people usually face in HR management?
So making a good relation between the superior and the subordinates.
So true. Creating good relations. And you have seen it.
Problem solving.
Okay.
Turning them to onboard.
Okay,
Being a
that's
good
again
leader and motivating them.
So true. How to lead the people, how to influence the people. Something, guys, be very clear. I always repeat the same thing. We are not your teacher. हम teacher नहीं हैं आपके, and we are not your boss. We are just a part of a team. So the biggest thing is that how you understand each other. As you say, the point, the relationship is very important. See, I can't force you. मैं आपको डांट नहीं सकता. मैं आपको force नहीं करूंगा कि मुझे superior मानो. I have to behave. Then only I can expect you treat me like a superior. And you have to maintain that behavior. Guys, anything more which is important for HR management? If I just want to have one or two words which are very important for HR management.
Sir, communication.
Okay, that's truly impressive answer.
Compensation process, sir.
Okay.
Coordination.
Communication.
Handling the attrition rate in the company.
Motivating the employees of the organization.
Okay, handling motivation.
Time management.
Time management. Okay.
Yes, sir. Attrition rate.
So getting best out of employees.
Sir, productive communication.
Okay. See, I got n number of other communication, leadership, motivation, delegation. See, all these are the words which I remember I learned in class 12th. I just see I am getting some bookish answers. Leadership, delegation, motivation, everything is good. But guys, you know what? At career Dream Education, true, how to lead the people. Guys, all these words are quite familiar. ये words आपने सुने हुए हैं. But guys, this internship of Career Dream Education will teach you only one thing. That particular word which I was expecting is behavior. As the intern,
Exactly,
as a leader,
sir.
as a person, you have to. What HR is all about is the behavior. See, when I'm talking to you now, I will say you like sir and ma'am. To every girl, I will be addressing like ma'am. To every boy, I will be addressing sir only. This is the protocol we have. We address each other with sir and ma'am. ये कोई वो नहीं है कि मजबूरी है. But this is the protocol. This is the hierarchy. With juniors also, you have to talk with sir and ma'am. And guys, you know what? एक simple सा psychological funda है. The psychology behind this. What intentions you are having in your heart? आपके internal intentions क्या हैं? What is going in your mind? And what you are showing to others. If these two things are different, no, you will not stand in this internship. इस internship में आप खड़े नहीं हो पाओगे. अगर आपके intentions कुछ और हैं, you're having some hidden intentions and you are showing something different. That means you are having a dual personality. दिल में कुछ और चल रहा है, दिमाग में कुछ और, दिखा रहे कुछ और. Guys, you will not be able to stand in the business world. In a very simple word, for HR people and for every management intern, I suggest you one thing, guys. Keep your intentions very clear. दिल और दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है should be very clear. And what you are doing with your team, that is also very clear. Definitely ego issues सबके होते हैं. We have seen, we are the company having 1,000+ interns जिनको हमने देखा है अभी तक पिछले एक साल में. And the biggest issue is like ego. Ego has been the most common issue which you will see in the job also. ये मुझसे अच्छा क्यों है भाई? I am having a jealousy. Guys, jealousy होगी. But you have to transform the jealousy into competition, healthy competition. This is the word ego. No? The behavior which I'm saying, no, I'm just pointing the word ego. Handling your own ego, handling your team's ego, that is something the biggest part of HR. See, preparing HR sheets, database, वो सब आप सीख लो. But the biggest thing is you have to learn is judging the people. लोगों को समझना, लोगों को judge करना, something लोगों के behavior के according अपने आप को थोड़ा सा mold करना. You can't be straight. You can't be hard always. Be flexible with your behavior approach. This is the final word for HR employees. The HR interns, I'm sorry for the word. We're the interns here. And on the last note, for the marketing people, guys, let me get some answer. What is the marketing all about, guys? I want your vision. Marketing kya hoti hai, yaar? Something, what's
Convincing
your vision?
people.
Spreading our
Convincing.
information about the
Under-
product.
understanding the potential market and
True, market
yeah,
potential.
understand. Promoting the product.
Understand the customer need and fulfill
Mhm.
the need.
True. Guys, you know what? Everybody of you is giving a right answer. Nobody's giving a wrong answer. The point is that you have to align your answers. You have to align your thinking pattern. For me, for career dream educations, as I told, HR का मतलब है behavior. तो marketing का मतलब है connecting the people. How you connect the people. In the coming days, you will be getting recruitment. You will bring new people for the internship. You will invite the people. This is marketing. See, सामान को बेचना, पैसे कमाना, it's the secondary thing. The primary thing is that you have to connect the people to yourself. लोग आपसे आके जुड़ रहे हैं. लोग career dream से आके जुड़ रहे हैं. That is the true meaning of and marketing. And when you connect the people, ना, your own reputation, जो आपकी अपनी इज्जत है, वो बढ़नी चाहिए. Personal brandship, we say. We have two brandship, personal and corporate brandship. You have to increase the personal brandship and corporate brandship. This is the true meaning of marketing. So, in this internship of 45 days, the marketing people will create environment for connecting the people, building personal brandship and corporate brandship. And ultimately, guys, management is all about getting the things done through others. It's a class 12th definition, I remember. दूसरों से काम करवाना. Something to be very clear, guys. We are the management people. We are not for गधा मजूरी. Hard working, मेहनत करना सब अच्छा लगता है. But if you are the management person, then try to manage the work. Delegate your work. अपने काम को बांटो, अपने team members में उसको distribute करो, फिर उसे accomplish करो. Ultimately, it's all about your thought process. दिमाग में clarity होनी चाहिए. From my side, I just want to clarify, HR people, be ready with the behavior approach. Marketing people, be ready to connect the people. For the content writers, ultimately, guys, content writing का मतलब है लोगों को touch करना. Your poster, your video, everything you create. Content writers, you should be able to influence the heart and mind of people. तारीफ नहीं चाहिए, but सामने वाला उससे influence हो जाए. That is for the content writers. And for those people who are here for business development internship, guys, business development अपने आप में एक अलग ही word है. I know. Okay, let me know what is business, यार. What is this business all about? I want to know your answer. What is business? Are we having some entrepreneurs here? Guys, what is business? Quick answer, guys. Don't think about more on it.
Guys, come on,
It is
answer.
providing some goods or service that people need and fulfilling their requirements.
It's not a complete answer, but fulfilling people's requirement is a part of business. Quickly, guys, see, if you are in the entrepreneurship, खुद कुछ दम है कर दिखाने का, then let me know, यार.
Make a good relationship and the profit.
So to bring some new ideas in the market.
It is about
See, again,
bringing
it's a
profit
Business is
while making
something.
Business is
profits,
a
not
process to
helping people
See,
and
business is
funding
something
them.
where we achieve the need, understanding the need of the customer, and generating according to that.
Okay.
Excuse me?
See, again, what I'm expecting is आप लोग मुझे part but you are telling the part only. I'm not getting the complete answer. If you see, yes, please.
Yeah, business is a process where understanding the needs and maximize the profit of the organization.
Okay, so you got one word that, no, something like the first definition was based on needs. What you told is profit. I think needs और profit के बीच में एक word होता है, which is the main element of
profession and trade.
Okay, the types of business, profession, employment, trade, something like economic activities के types होते हैं. I want to listen one word. There is a word which is a strong part of every business.
Customer satisfaction.
Aim
I
of
think
business.
customer satisfaction is the end result. It's the end. Where the business
Aim of the business.
So customer satisfaction.
Efforts. Revenue.
Okay, if I add my word, now see, if I add my word, demand, customer satisfaction, needs, see, all these comes later.
Efforts.
The business starts where we have the risk. Business is equal
How
to
we
risk.
communicate.
Communicate, that is definitely a big part of business, but
It is
guys,
about taking risks.
See, at Career Dream Education, what we feel, business is equal to risk. This was the very simple definition given at the Harvard Business School. When there was a discussion going on, what is ultimately business? See, all you give a right answer. But what is the main element? It is the risk factor. RISK. है दम रिस्क लेने का, अपने डिसीजन पे आपको विश्वास है कि मेरा डिसीजन डेफिनेटली सही होगा, और गलत भी होगा ना तो मैं उसको सही करने का दम रखता हूं. Guys, this attitude is called business. Business is nothing, it's an attitude. You see, business करना is developing attitude. एक दम रखना अपने आप में, एक विश्वास आपको अपने ऊपर होगा और वो विश्वास आपकी आवाज में होना चाहिए, so that people can trust you. So at Career Dream Education, you will understand business is equal to risk and attitude to handle the risk. So guys, do you agree with me, guys? Like, is my answer going right? Do you agree with me? What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
And guys, be very clear. After the
Yes.
45 days internship, we just want to see attitude in you people. Attitude kaun sa? Entrepreneur wala. Taking the risk, getting the risk convert into profit. What you told is like needs ko profit mein convert karna. But Career Dream Education says risk ko profit mein convert karna. Getting the challenges into opportunity and opportunity into profit. This is the attitude of an entrepreneur. Something अपने दम पे कुछ कर दिखाने वाला attitude. And guys, we need job creators. I told you in the beginning. So be ready, guys, for all you management people, right from the HR, management, finance, technical part. Like, we are a legion. I can proudly say Career Dream Education is a legion, Legion. We are having management, we are having financial team, we are having technical team. Plus, we are moving towards more and more government projects recognized by AICTE. Do you know what's the full form of AICTE? Any one of you, name me, what's the full form of AICTE? Any one of you? Don't you know that what's AICTE?
All India Council of
All India
All
Council
India
of
Council
Technical
for Technical Education.
Right. All India Council of Technical Education. And we are proud to say we are approved by AICTE. And plus, we are IELTS certified company. That means we are having international standard of the management. Plus, we are under state government Rajasthan and central government of India. And having such a strong background, guys, we are confident. Career Dream Education is confident enough that we create entrepreneurs. You see, you know what? The beginning of this session was made by Shraddha ma'am and Satakshi ma'am. I must say, guys, these are the two interns. Satakshi ma'am is an intern, but look at her attitude. Look at the voice. Look at the confidence. Look at the way she bring the zeal in people. And aggressiveness honi chahiye aapke. The same with Shraddha ma'am. Look at the confidence. I told in the beginning only. She was confident enough to lay out this induction meeting. Guys, interns hone ke bawajood, they are showing the attitude of entrepreneur. Something self-decision making, self-accomplishment. This attitude we will develop with you people. Don't worry about the jobs. Job की कोई कमी नहीं है भारत में. नौकरी और पैसे कमाना it's very damn easy. Ultimately, even if a beggar, एक भारत में जो भिखारी होता है वो भी दिन का 100-300 रुपए earn कर सकता है. Getting 10K, 10,000, 9,000 per month, which is the initial minimum level, in coming into lakhs and crore. Money earning is not a big thing. पैसे कमाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है इंडिया. But बड़ी बात यह है आप पहुंचते कैसे? How you approach the people, how you deal with the people. The answers which you give are quite impressive. Communication, motivation, teamwork, management, hard work, all these mixed together. Only one word: take the risk, be the entrepreneur, and show us your strong point. So guys, on a very conclusion, I just add one thing. All the best for you people. Be very clear with your mind. क्या करना है सोच के रखो पहले से. You are the young people of India, and we are planning for the next economic progress. Don't treat like if for the internship khatam kaam khatam. It will be a battle for you, a challenge to prove your productivity. And if you are the best, welcome to the management of Career Dream Education. We have the open opportunity, guys. We give you the management position if you are a strong player. We have seen Rajiv sir, Riya ma'am, Kaushik sir, Shikha ma'am. These are the managing head of your department. But few months ago, they were the interns only. Few months ago, Rajiv sir, Riya ma'am, Shikha ma'am, Kaushik sir were the interns. Today, they are your authority. This is the leadership. This is the change which we can see. Today, I can proudly see the progress which I can feel with our present interns. Mr. Rajat Sharma, Rajat sir. We have Satakshi ma'am, we have Shraddha ma'am, we have Sneha ma'am, we have Riya ma'am, and we have Dinu sir, n number of people. We are filtering the fresh talent. If you have the guts, attitude, guts, prove yourself. Welcome to Career Dream Education's the comprehensive internship and training program. Wish you all the best, guys. And now let me know, have you got any
Sir,
query?
yeah, I wanted to
Yes.
ask where will and how will we be getting the further information?
Ma'am, you will be added in a WhatsApp group. You will be having a team leader. A team leader will coordinate with you. And you see the hierarchy. Team leader ke saath, you will be having a coordinator, managing head. Rajiv sir will be there for the management people. Plus your particular team leader. He will guide you. He will give you the task. He will give you assignment. And slowly, when you
And
prove
what
yourself,
and what
you will
about
get the.
marketing?
See, marketing, initially, there will be some training projects for you. Marketing will start in steps. There will be some training project for you. Then there will be some strategy project for you. You have to plan the strategy. Then you will develop, your team will develop some project, and accordingly we will go for marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing, then core marketing. So step by step the things will get unfolded. And I just add one thing. This is a team effort. अकेले कुछ भी नहीं करना है. टीम होगी साथ में, म्यूचुअल कंसिडरेशन होगा, कम्युनिकेशन होगा, चीजें अपने आप सुलझती जाएंगी. Individually, you don't have to
Okay,
perform.
thank you.
Sure, ma'am. And it's like a group effort going on. But just one word here: be more communicative. Communicate करिए and try to be very clear in the ideas. Team leaders ने क्या बोला should be clear to you. If you have a negativity, if you have a query, or if you feel any such kind of negative inconvenience कि नहीं मेरा team leader सही नहीं है, team leader मुझे गलत बोल रहा है, in that case, you can directly report to Rajiv sir. He is the coordinator for the management. Again, we have Vinayak Saxena and we have Renu ma'am. She is the senior administrative head. So in case if there are any issue is arising, then instead of thinking over it, talk to the management, talk to your seniors. That's the point, guys. Any more query?
Thank you so much, Vinayak sir.
Sure, ma'am.
Like, it is an
And
immense pleasure that you are with us, sir. And I hope everyone has got a glimpse of an idea how they will work, who are their managers,
I
and
have
how
a
they will be
query,
treated.
ma'am.
Yes, you please, ma'am.
yes, Kunal ma'am.
So what about offer letter?
Definitely,
Uh,
ma'am. Now I just add a main point here. See, the main point which I was about to miss here, guys. Today is getting Sunday. On Tuesday, you will be having a meet again, same time, and we will be having your SOP, statement of purpose. Every management intern will be presenting a statement of purpose. What is your past experience? What is your present scenario? What will be your future vision? Why you want to do this internship? What is your quality? What is your USP? You have to show in a 1 minute SOP. You can create a PDF file, PPT file, or you can be oral. You can go for an oral presentation also. We want to listen your past, present, and future vision on Tuesday. Also, after 72 hours, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you will get the letter of joining. Your ID will be given to you. Your official letter with your name, ID, and your domain where you are working will be mailed to you officially after 3 days. 3 days, we will judge you. We will see your caliber and you will understand career education. And through your SOP, we will see your confidence and your knowledge level, how strong you are. Guys, this is a pure competition. The strong will win and the weaker will get eliminated. जंगल वाली बात है, अगर strong हो तो जीतोगे, कमजोर हो तो definitely कोई ना कोई शिकार कर देगा आपका, and you will find no way बचने का. Automatically आप eliminate हो जाएंगे कमजोर performance की वजह से. So be strong in your words. We will see you on Tuesday with the SOP, statement of purpose. Are you clear with this idea, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
And
thank
guys,
you.
in that 1 minute, see, 1 minute will be quite sufficient. You can go for a PPT or a PDF file or a Word file, or you can go for oral. If you are confident, then show us your confidence through your voice. That's it, guys. Prove yourself in your. This is your first assignment, and on Wednesday onwards, you will get the official letter of joining to be mailed on your ID. Am I clear to all of you?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And guys,
Yes, sir.
ultimately enthusiasm must be there. Huh? Don't
Yes,
think about
sir,
it.
thank you.
Yes, sir. But it will be on Tuesday, sir.
Yeah, it will be on Tuesday, same time. 6:30 we shall be 6:15. The joining will be there. 6:30 it will be starting, and we will be
Okay, sir.
having
Thank you.
you people, and either everybody will be presenting the SOP, or we will be selecting few people to present their SOP. It will be a random sampling, or it will be a completely inclusive for all of you people. Be ready with your presentation, guys. That's it. It will be the first test to see your confidence, to see your power. Ultimately, entrepreneurship ऐसे नहीं आने वाली. बहुत कुछ आपको देखना पड़ेगा और prove करना पड़ेगा.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Please, ma'am. Now I will be awaiting you. Renu, ma'am, please maybe have your word.
Yeah.
Please.
Satakshi ma'am wants to convey something to all the interns.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, sorry to interrupt you in between, but you know,
Please, ma'am,
guys, yeah, as you know, it is Skill India Initiative. So from skills, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि मेरा skills का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है. Skills are all about human nature, human behavior, human talent, and human acquisition. So here we are bringing you a 45 days course called Personality Development Course. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कंपनी हमें क्यों दे रही है. तो गाइस, ग्रो करने के लिए ना हम हर तरीके से सोचते हैं कैसे अपने एम्प्लॉयज को मेंटली, फिजिकली एंड इमोशनली ग्रो करना सिखाएं. यू नो, एवरीवन वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इन टुडेस टाइम, बट वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की स्किल्स कैसे आएगी वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. देखिए गाइस, दिस इज एज यू कैन सी द स्क्रीन. थैंक यू सो मच श्रद्धा मैम. So in the personality development course, which is a training program initiated by Career Dreams Education, well, we are the first company who are initiating this program for their employees. People always search for institutions who provide these things in rupees like 10,000, 20,000, 25,000, even though 30,000. So इतना पैसा हम खर्च करते हैं, फिर भी हमारा confidence low रह जाता है. Is it good? I don't think so, guys. So here we will cover your topics like confidence, interview cracking, your manners, which comes under ethics. Optimism means positive attitude. Your leadership, group discussion, teamwork, and many more, much more, guys, much more. This is it's a short thing. We are covering most of the things in that. So it is a 45 days classes which we will provide to each and every intern here. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Whenever we go for an interview, the most question and the most recent question is being asked from everyone is that, tell me something about yourself. And see how we answer it. Hello, sir. Sir, my name is Satakshi Bisht. Yes, sir, speaking, sir. I did my graduation from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth, sir. Okay. The interview asks, where's Vanasthali? Sir, it is in Jaipur. Okay. Then, sir, in my family, there are 4 people. My parents, my sister. Sir, there's a fan. There's a cooler, sir, 1 temple, and these all things we add in the interview, and the interview get rejected. Now, this is the way to answer a question. Hello, sir, myself Satakshi Bisht. I did my graduation from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth, which is a renowned college in Jaipur, Rajasthan. If I talk about the family, it's a nuclear family. See words. See, guys, words का ना बहुत मैटर करता है इंटरव्यू में. आप लोग बोलते हैं हमें सब कुछ आता है, पर I tell you one thing, the competition इतना ज्यादा हाई हो चुका है ना कि हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत कुछ आता है, but हमें सच में कुछ नहीं आता है. You know, I spent 5,000 rupees on personality development classes, and I didn't get anything from that. My stage phobia, my confidence, all got into vain. But trust me, guys, जो आपका ये होता है ना, जब आप स्टैमर करते हो, whenever you go for interview, public speaking में जब बोलना होता है, हम बोल नहीं पाते, क्योंकि आइडियाज होते हैं पर मुंह पे नहीं आ पाते, थॉट्स होते हैं मगर वो मुंह पे नहीं आ पाते, एक्शंस होते हैं मगर वो कर नहीं पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि शाइनेस है, कॉन्फिडेंस कम है. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, हम में से कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा मैजिक लेकर पैदा नहीं हुआ है. सब इक्वल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, इक्वल वैल्यूज लेकर पैदा हुआ है, मगर वहां पर क्या है, हाउ टू डील विद इट एंड हाउ टू गो इन अ राइट वे, वो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. गाइस, ये अच्छा मौका हम आपको दे रहे हैं. ये मौका कोई कंपनी नहीं देती, कंपनी रिजेक्ट करती है, उनको इंसल्ट करती है, उनके स्किल्स को जज करती है. बट यहाँ पर वी नेवर जज पीपल, वी नेवर जज देम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द अपीयरेंस. ना, वी नेवर जज देम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर वर्ड्स. नेवर. We judge them on the basis of their work, which every company wants from you. As Vinayak sir told, we want confidence, good communication, and the most important, ethics. You know, all companies where we always address people by their name. Hello, Mr. Dash Dash. Hello, Mr. Abhishek. Hello, Mr. Sunita. But here we address people with sir and ma'am. See, हम लोग का main motive ये है कि हम चाहते हैं कि employees किसी बाहर वाले से help मांगने से बजाय अपनी company से help मांगे, because we are a family, and family से help मांगने में कभी shy feel नहीं करना चाहिए. आप यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि इतना बोल रही है तो प्राइस तो उसका काफी हाई होगा. नहीं भाई, क्यों? वी हैव जस्ट 50 रुपीज फॉर द इंटर्न्स एंड फॉर द आउटसाइड इज जस्ट 100 रुपीज. कौन देता है गाइस? कौन देता है?
Satakshi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but there was a confusion. The price is 100.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for the information. Okay, just 100 rupees. So, ma'am, that Shraddha, ma'am, I want you with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Shraddha, ma'am, for 100 rupees, what things we can buy at our home, ma'am? What things we spend daily or for 100 rupees, ma'am? Can you guess me three to four things which we buy it with rupees 100 in our home when we used to be kids or now also?
As a kid, I'll be buying like toys, and that will be very small toys, and some chocolates, or it might be some chips only, and a cold drink can also be bought. But yeah, only this much, not more than this.
On an average, ma'am, every citizen of India spend 100 rupees on popcorns, chocolates, and chips just to watch Netflix. See the condition, guys. और हम यहाँ पर सोच रहे हैं कि 100 रुपए में आप लोग 45 डेज में एक ऐसा एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट कर ले अपनी लाइफ में कि आप जब ऐसे बांट के आप ये बोल पाए कि हमने उस कंपनी से चीजें सीखी थी और आज हम इस कंपनी में खड़े होकर बोल पा रहे हैं. See, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll just we have Amisha ma'am. Amisha ma'am, is this paid or unpaid internship? Well, Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the question arising is this a paid or an unpaid internship?
This internship, like you all are too lucky that you came with this batch, because this batch is unpaid. But from the next batch, this is going to be a paid batch because we are AICTE approved now. We are ISO certified, and all these things provide a clear picture that we shall be asking a higher and higher amount for the internship. But we will still be asking the minimum amount for the internship so that everyone can get the opportunity to get the internship and get some learning.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the answer. So can I have Anish ma'am on the mic, please? Anish ma'am. Okay, it's okay, ma'am. It's okay. It's no matters. Any one of you have faced problems like whenever you've gone for an interview and you feel like you are shivering, what to say? Things are not coming into our mind. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is this? Actually, I cannot name. Okay, ma'am. Sia ma'am. Now, share your experience, ma'am.
Ma'am, in my interview only, during giving, so I have given many interviews in many companies for internship and all, but there was a time when I felt shy to speak up and to tell me about myself and all. So that things really screwed my confidence, ma'am.
Don't worry, ma'am. We have a solution. We have classes like public speaking. We have classes like communication speaking. We have classes like competence upbringing. We have classes with different games. अब तुम लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि क्लासेस होंगी मतलब ये तो बोलती रहेगी हम सुनते रहेंगे. नहीं भाई, we believe in practical plus theoretical knowledge in balance. तो जितना हम आपको theoretical वे में सिखाएंगे ना, प्लस हम आपको मोटिवेशन के लिए गेम्स भी खिलाएंगे, क्योंकि गेम्स से क्या होता है, मुझे लगता है माइंड जो होता है ना, वो गेम्स को लेकर काफी एंथुसियास्टिक रहता है. So I am focusing on कि मेरी क्लास में कोई इंसान बोर ना हो. मतलब this is the class which are being conducted by me and Shraddha ma'am together. तो guys, आप लोग की जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है ना 1 2 3, बिकॉज ये जो लाइफ है इसमें अगर सक्सेसफुल रहना है ना, so you have to upgrade yourself. सब ये बोलते हैं कि हमें ये नहीं आता, आपको आता सब है, बट आपको अपग्रेड करना है. अपग्रेड मतलब समझते हो, एक स्टेप आगे. अगर मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझसे मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर से मैं एक स्टेप आगे रहूं. पहले के राजा महाराजा वाले जो लोग होते थे ना, दे यूज टू ऑलवेज मेक प्लान्स, स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आर वन स्टेप अहेड ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटर्स. तो जब वो लोग कर सकते हैं गाइस, तो हम तो 2021 की जनरेशन है. सो व्हाई वी आर लैकिंग बिहाइंड. ऑल्सो वी आर क्लासेस ऑफ वोकैबुलरी, वर्ड्स लाइक डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. what are the what word can you use for sad? What other word you can use for sad? Anyone?
Sorrow.
Lonely.
Unhappy.
Okay.
Feeling blue. Lonely.
Blue is Monday. Sub blue is Monday, right?
Upset.
Okay. So these are the words. So these words also I'm focusing. We will focus that you can add more and words to your dictionaries, guys. More and more words. Your imagination, यार 12 तक till 3rd क्लास तक हमें इमेजिनेशन पे फोकस कर जाता है, मगर 6 के बाद दे फोकस ऑन थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट. तो वो बोरिंग लाइफ में, बोरिंग, क्रिएटिविटी लेवल 0, कॉलेज में आते हैं ऑल गॉट इनटू वेन. बट इन माय क्लासेस, इन आवर क्लासेस, वी विल फोकस कि आपको जो इमेजिनेशन लेवल लॉस्ट हो गया है ना, वो वापस से 100% हो जाए. सो कोई बात नहीं, अगर आप में कुछ वीकनेसेस हैं, डोंट टेक इट एज अ फ्लॉज, टेक इट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स. अगर आज नहीं हुआ तो कल जरूर होगा. You have heard this song, Kar Har Maidan Fateh. Any one of you have heard that song?
Yes, ma'am.
So हमें भी ऐसे हर तरीके से अपने आप को ready रखना है. So any one of you are ready for these classes? In your like the scheduling of the classes will be after 6. So definitely we'll get time. It's just 30, 35, 41 minutes classes. And definitely trust me guys, you will see yourself a different.
Yeah, I'm ready for the class actually.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Any one of you. Say positively now. Yes, we are ready.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And trust me guys, in my classes, no one will insult you. No one will poke you. No one will, try to lay you down. Because in our classes, everyone will be treated equally. Okay? So this is only for you guys. And if you have any friends who are still suffering the same, don't worry. We'll help them also. Any age group, any people, all over the India. We'll teach them together, guys. Because ये time मिला है, इसको खोना नहीं है. पकड़ के रखना है और बहुत अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करना है. ठीक है? And your team leaders, as you guys, you are just distributed in your particular teams. Your team leaders will circulate you the form. Just fill those forms, get yourself registered, and then we'll start from Monday or Tuesday. Let's see how many people we get enrolled. Okay? So don't feel shy. Never feel shy. नहीं आता तब भी बोलो. आता है तो बोलो ही बोलो. ठीक है? Feel enthusiastic, positive. Never let negativity. Yes, sir. Right, sir. Please mention your name and number, guys, so that we can cross-check who all are interested.
And there's a query also in the chat box. I've seen it. Okay, Gitanjali ma'am, we will come up to you. You have raised your hand. So Sahana ma'am has asked, so this time we won't be getting paid. So that wasn't about your payment. Your payment depends on your working performance. If your working is as per the standards that we demand for our internships, you will definitely be paid. So this doesn't mean that this internship, that paid and unpaid, was something different. This paid.
Ma'am, they are asking like per day 100. Ma'am, please explain that, ma'am. Is it per day 100 or all day 100?
Okay, that was a very ridiculous question because we really want everyone to get this opportunity. On a very serious note, that's why we have kept a price that is very minimal. That's minimal, like seriously, 100 rupees for the whole program, for the whole course. As you are our interns, our family, you need to learn things. So this is the opportunity that we are giving. We are not charging anything else other than just 100 rupees for the overall 45 days in program. Somebody has raised their
जो ये क्वेश्चन है ना कि मैम पर डे 100 नहीं भाई, हम लूटते नहीं है. We believe in quality, not in quantity. So it's just 100 rupees. Yes, sir. हाँ जी, सर बताइए.
I'm immense happy for your efforts. Like it was very reasonable. I felt that I want to speak it. So it was very reasonable actually. I think that.
Sir, because we never, it's our ethics, sir. Career News Education is all very much renowned for their quality, sir, for their trust, and for their good efforts which are going for the society, sir. And we definitely make you feel like a family because you are now a guest and you will leave us as a family for sure after 45 days, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for appreciating, and thank you so much, guys, for such a good response. Like seriously, guys, thank you so much. I'm really happy. Seriously, thank you so much.
Satakshi ma'am, we are having 2 raised hands. We need to address them too.
Yeah, Shadam, please can you address?
Yeah, sure. Gitanjali ma'am and Sumit sir, do you have any queries? You have raised your hands.
No, ma'am, I have a query about this code.
Okay, ma'am, whatever query you have, your team leader will be circulating you with the information and the form. And even though if you have, even after reading that form, you're having any query, any doubt, we, like I and Satakshi ma'am, are available to take each of your queries. We'll be answering each and every of your queries because we want you to join the course after you are satisfied by yourself that you want to do this.
And Shraddha ma'am, today we are taking the meetings. tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and after like after 10 to 25 days, they will take the meeting, ma'am. They will be here instead of us.
Yes, of course,
What say, ma'am?
ma'am.
Guys, seriously, I'm not joking. Guidance education always provide a platform to every individual, whether fresher or whether experienced. See, guys, experience हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता जब तक knowledge नहीं होगा और अपने आप को predict करने का एक तरीका नहीं होगा, guys. कुछ फायदा नहीं. And thank you so much getting so many good responses, guys. Hope you will enjoy these 45 days classes with us. And I and Shraddha ma'am will be teaching you all the basic concepts. Your shyness, your how to deal with patience, and how to deal with negative thoughts. All will be properly taught by us in the classes. But there's one condition which I want to share with you all. अगर मेरी क्लास में रहो तो आपका एक्टिव होना एंड चीजों से इंटरेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन एक्शंस रेदर देन वर्ड्स. बोलते सब हैं मगर करते कुछ लोग ही हैं. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग को रिस्पॉन्स ऐसे ही, ये ज़ील, ये एंथुसियाज्म ऐसे ही चलता रहे और हमारी कंपनी आज नहीं तो कल जरूर आप लोग का सपोर्ट जरूर करेगी, फॉर श्योर. ये आपके लिए है गाइस, हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं है. ये आपके लिए ही हमने जो करा है, आप लोग के लिए करा है.
Sakshi ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, please open it all for the queries because they are having a lot of queries and they are writing in the chat box. Let them unmute and let them ask if they are having any queries.
For sure, ma'am. For sure.
This session is totally open. If you are having any query, please unmute yourself and take your query forward. We'll be
Please,
answering
guys.
you.
We will please to answer you guys. You are all our family, यार. कैसे? पूछो जो पूछना है दिल से पूछो. But it should be decent, guys. Yeah, Shraddha ma'am. Again, we have Shraddha ma'am with us. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to ask. So I have applied for HR internship, right? So what will be the task that will be allotted us on a daily basis?
See, HR means human resource. Human resource means hirings. Hirings means getting the people at the right position. Okay? So your task will basically on hirings, and you have to do different tasks which Shraddha ma'am and other team leaders of HR will let you know. Don't worry, we'll explain each and everything in the group itself. Don't worry, ma'am. Feel free.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. बताइए.
Actually, my question was that we will be allotted individual task, or we are supposed to do the task with the entire team?
Well. This is up to you, ma'am. Like when I and Shraddha ma'am used to do the task tomorrow, together, because we believe in teamwork. So it depends upon you, ma'am. If you want to work as an individual, you're always welcome. But working in a team will always give you more profit, ma'am. And this is the ethics of our, organization. We always work together, ma'am. So let's up to you, ma'am.
Yeah, we are put into groups of the teams.
You will be you will be grouped in group in your team leaders group, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And
I'm put in the HR group. So any task that they're giving us, we are supposed to do it with all the HR interns with us, or they'll give it to individual HR interns. That's my question.
Ma'am, see, you are जो आप लोग का ग्रुप बना है ना, the group in which you are, this is the HR particular group. तो जो टास्क होंगे मैम वो सबको इक्वली मिलेगा, एक जैसे मिलेगा. तो आप उसको इंडिविजुअल भी कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपको हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो आपकी टीम लीडर्स आपकी हेल्प भी करेंगे मैम. बट हायरिंग से नॉल आपको खुद ही करना होगा मैम. हायरिंग से प्रमोशन you have to do it by yourself, ma'am. No one will help you for that.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else? Guys, ask the questions because we are getting so many responses for the classes. I'm so happy to.
Hello.
Yes, sir. बताइए.
Yes, myself, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
So actually, what I want to ask is after Tuesday only, after we submit PPT or whatever about ourselves, then only we'll get the confirmation who got selected and everything, or is it
No.
Ma'am, I would like to answer this question.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
So, if you are in this induction meeting, you are already selected. You are already a part of our family.
Okay.
That PPT is just for that we can know who are coming with us, who are joining with us. We can know your capabilities, we can know your skills and talents. That's the reason we have asked for that PPT. There is no other specific reason. And after that PPT, you will be getting your offer letter. You are already selected for this internship, sir.
Because what happened, sir, let me tell you the truth of life. That is, many people join the company with so much zeal and enthusiasm, but seeing the task and activities, they just left the internship in between. That create a chaos that we don't want, because we are fully filled with dedicated people. So that's the reason we are just providing you with the task, complete it and get it. No issue, sir. We'll provide you offer letter.
Okay. One more query, ma'am.
Please explain the
So
task
in case,
Yes, sir. बताइए.
yeah, one more query, ma'am. In case if what will be the active hours for the interns?
Yeah, sir. Please pardon. I didn't hear you.
I'm asking what will be the active hours for the interns? Like,
That. Huh. Shraddha ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
just reply the answer, ma'am. I didn't hear actually. There's a lot of
Okay,
noise.
okay. Okay, no
I'm
problem, sir.
asking what will be the
Sir,
active
I
hours
got
for
your
the
answer.
interns?
I
Yeah,
got
yeah.
I got your question, sir. Sorry, I got your question. So what I'm saying is that your active hours will be from 10 a.m. in the morning to like till the time you don't submit your daily report. Daily report that you have worked, whatever was assigned to you, that is your working hour.
Means
Will
it's
it
not.
will it be
It's
flexible, ma'am? Will it
no,
be
no. It's not
flexible?
flex. Ma'am, it depends upon you, na. How much? Yeah.
Wait, I guess Vinayak sir wants to say something, sir. Please.
Ma'am, in a very simple
Thank
word,
you, sir.
see, what the query is about timing. See, this is a virtual internship. So you will be having 100% timing flexibility. The official timing starts from 10 a.m. in the morning. And max to max, by the evening 6 or 7 p.m., the work goes on. The team leader will open the group for communication and he will close the group at most by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So your timing is like 10 a.m. in the morning till evening. But there is no foundation कि आपको इतने घंटे काम करना है तो करना ही है. It's about कि आपका जो task आपको दिया गया है, how it is
Yes,
going,
sir. It's based on
communicate with the
how
leader.
fast I do the work.
Yeah, and if the task is completed, submit online to your team leader. That's it. In case it is
Yes.
getting delayed, then just communicate to the team leader that I will submit tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That's it. See, we believe this is with time quality, not time foundation. बांध के नहीं रखना है. Time quality है. You are in a. It's possible that you can complete the task before the time or after the time. In both the cases,
Got
the
it.
efficiency will be just. All clear?
Yes, sir. I got you. Thank you.
Sure.
sir.
Then. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have been added into two teams. Like it is one of your teams, Satakshi ma'am's team, and one is Sakshi ma'am's team. So like I don't have idea like in which group to send it.
Sir, don't worry. We'll sort it out for that. We'll add you in one of the teams. We'll remove from one and we'll add you in one. Don't worry about it, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Anyone else? If you have queries, just we are here to answer the queries. Just ask. No worries. You can ask freely.
Yeah, can you please repeat the task once again? Actually, I have a network issue. That's the reason.
Sir, which task?
Yeah, the task which was given by Vinayak sir.
Okay. Sir told that you have to prepare something about yourself and then you have to submit it. Then our team leaders, our seniors will look after it within 48 or 3 days or like 48 hours. And if you अगर आप उस टास्क को अच्छे से कर लेते हैं उसके बाद ही आपको आपका ऑफर लेटर मिलेगा उससे पहले आपको अपना ऑफर लेटर नहीं मिलेगा.
Fine. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Any other else?
Okay. Ma'am, let me add a word here to all the people. Tomorrow being Monday, Tuesday we shall be meeting again with your SOP. So the first assignment is to get your SOP, statement of purpose, about your past experience, present scenario, and future vision why you want to do internship. So present, past, and future ideas must be there in your SOP. Get your SOP complete and submit to your team leader. So as a PPT, as a PDF, as a Word file, submit to your team leader. And Tuesday, when we'll meet, we will ask the interns to present it verbally. So it will be a clear idea about your caliber, your confidence, and how well we will take you and you will perform in this internship. First assignment, Tuesday, again 6:15 we shall meet with your SOP. And before you come to the meeting, submit your SOP to your team leader in the particular group. So you will be getting to understand each other, your own caliber and your team's caliber. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Then.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You may continue now.
Anyone? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Anyone of you still have queries? देखो गलती करो से पहले है कि पूछ लो तो गलती भी नहीं होगी. Learn from a mistake, guys. So if you have any queries, let it solve now, and then we'll wind up the meeting because it's like getting too late now. That's why.
Actually, I had a question for Vinayak, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Please.
Actually, sir, as you told before that it's not necessary to prepare a PDF or a like PDF or a Word file, so you can directly speak up in the meeting verbally.
Yeah. See, definitely, you have the confidence enough that you may go through verbally only. But I suggest one thing: if it is a written one, it will be a record. it will be taken as a record of your initial beginning, how you begin in the internship and how you perform there. So if you go for written record, it will be more beneficial to review your performance.
Okay, thank you,
Otherwise,
sir.
if you are confident enough, then definitely voice is the best way of communication. That's the point.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I hope your queries are solved by sir. Anyone else?
So this is a 45 days internship.
Huh.
Yeah. So actually, I'm pursuing my master's in industrial psychology. So to complete my course, I need to do a 90 days internship.
Okay, so it's like we can do, ma'am. It's 45 days, 90 days, 180 days. It depends upon you. Minimum 45 and last 180 days. So you can do till 90, ma'am. No issues for that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No worries, ma'am. Anyone else, guys? If you have queries, just ask it fast so that we can wind up the meeting soon, guys. It's getting too late. That's what I'm saying.
So after the SOP, we'll be starting the work as soon as possible, ma'am.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am? Sahana, ma'am, can you repeat the question, please? I didn't raise it. Please, pardon.
Yeah. After Tuesday, we'll be getting started to work, ma'am, or something. Again, like 2 more days to go.
No, ma'am. Let me just add a point here. Your internship actually starts from tomorrow. Monday onward, 16th of May, your internship starts. So we will be counting your days from 16th of May only. The official letter will be released on Wednesday, and the date of your letter will be marked as 16th May. The joining will be on 16th May onwards, tomorrow onwards only. So days will be counted from tomorrow onwards. So there will not be any chaos in day counting. 16th May, you can count the next 45 days, including 16th May.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then. Welcome.
I
Sir.
request you all. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a query.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what about the Sunday and Saturday?
For Saturday,
working?
no. For
Yeah.
Saturday, it's working. Sunday, it's off. But if the team leaders found that your work is incomplete, you have to work for Sunday also, sir. Sorry for that.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. We will work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ji, sir. Ji, sir.
Yes, sir. From my side, all points are covered. So all the very best to all of you. And we all are looking forward for your development and organizational development. We all are looking forward.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sir, just 3 words. Get, set, go, and all the best. That's it. Let the race begin. And as I told now, just as the interns will see the scenario now, the queries will get sorted automatically. When they will see the scenario, working with the team, talking with the team leaders, the things will get sorted automatically. So guys, wish you all the best for career educations, for the interns, and for the next excellence. Always all the best for every one of us.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.